Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, how to make morph animation in PowerPoint tip and tricks. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Okay, let's start a video. First, you can create slide 5 and choice color. You can use this color. You can take rectangle rounded corners and draw a letter bit. Take white color and no outline. Okay, now take 5 icons. I'll just adjust the icon a little bit. Move to rectangle inside. And now select all icon. Go to a light you can make distribute vertically. The icon is a bit too big, so I'll make it smaller. Okay, now connect to hyperlinks. Now you can take oval shape. You can make white color and no outline. Go to shadow and you choose offset center. Move to rectangle and center back. Select rectangle and center back. And now select all copy, go to slide 2. Select oval shape, move to under. Copy it again and do it just like before. Okay, let's see. I think it's not very noticeable. Like this, let's add a transition. Go to transition, you can take Morph Transition. You can change 1.50 second and apply to all. Now morph animation looks much better. Go ahead and insert the design image you like. Okay, now once the design I made is inserted, let's take a look. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe as usual.